Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Earlier today, Bitcoin pumped from $99,400 to a new all-time high of $109,500. This happened just hours before a major sell the news event. After the speech, Bitcoin's price action plummeted with a scam wick to $100,300 before rebounding in the same one-hour candle to $104,000. Since then, it has been slowly bleeding back into the wick low area. I've been hunting for another entry position, but decided not to pull the trigger yesterday at 99,000. The one-week liquidation heat map has been flashing hot levels between 95 and 96,000 due to a significant buildup of long leverage since the 16th. This area is still shining bright as the main target for market makers, which is bad news for bulls. That said, there are almost no shorts above the current price. This leaves the path open for upside price action in potentially discovery mode. I'll let you know if I decide to enter a long or wait it out. The fastest way to hear about my trades is through my free Discord. Yesterday I posted there that I shorted the most trending meme coin in altcoin history. I shorted it from 61 down to 45. As I mentioned in my video yesterday, I believe the token was overvalued and the dump was due. For Bitcoin, I'll wait for a signal from higher time frames, like the 1 hour or 4 hour chart, before making my next move. I don't want to step into a trap and get caught in an elevator drop to 95,000 from the current 103,000. My last long trade required holding for 30 days to turn profitable. While that's acceptable, I'd rather avoid repeating that situation again so soon. In the news, a tweet by George Hotz briefly caused fear and uncertainty. He claimed OpenAI's O3 agent had discovered a polynomial time factoring algorithm, suggesting that no crypto assets were safe. However, the community quickly debunked this with a clarification. The Axios article he cited did not mention any such algorithm. If any ECDSA encryption would be broken, everything is in danger, not only our magic internet money with whom we play with. I'll be keeping a sharp eye on the charts and will update you daily. Join my Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Leave a like if you got value from this, subscribe, and click the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.